Y'all, I gotta take this wig from crusty, dusty, hanging off the back of my head to a secure unit that looks like my hair. Okay, I wanted to find a way to secure my U-Part wig, sewing it down, and get rid of this excess like space, because like my head is small and this wig cap is a size small, but it still has space at the back where like the clip's not just gonna hook in the back of my hair. I found Winnie Jean here on YouTube and her video was so helpful, so we about to try to do what she did on her V-Part wig install with my U-Part wig. So first and foremost, I need to take this off, I need to wash my hair, and I need to wash the wig because the wig just has buildup of so much product. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and did my little braid down. Y'all, like, I'm growing out my edges because when I took out my braids like a couple months ago, like I had so much hair come out around my edges, and those were the smallest braids I've ever had before. So right now we're in recovery. So I have this oil mix. It's a little bit of do-grow. It's a little bit of everything. So I'm just gonna grease my scalp. Make sure all of that is moisturized before we sew this wig down. I have the perimeter out as my leave out. I don't know if y'all can see all of that. To avoid having to sew the ends of my braids down, I crocheted them back and forth through my cornrows. And then we have this piece right here. So I will link Winnie's video down below where she talks about a braid pattern that helps for people who wear wigs often and like to switch them out between middle part and side part. This is my heat-free hair wig. I'll put all the details on the screen and in the description box. And I think this wig is made to be like a side part wig. And the reason why I say that is one side, this side versus this side, like this side is way longer. And so I think it's meant to be a side part like this way. And it did not have this extra clip right here. I sewed this clip on for extra security. Now Winnie told me to cut off these clips to lay it flat, but I'm gonna keep my clips because I don't want to mess up the wig where there's no return. Okay, so I already measured out the U-part section and I'm pretty sure it will be able to be sewn down right there. So next up, I'm gonna actually go ahead and just hook the U-part section in my hair. And then she said to mark off like any extra cap that you may need to take off as far as like sewing. So like, and then at the back, she actually cut some of the wig off, y'all. And I was trying to figure out how people wigs be so sewn down in the back, because mine just be lifting up. Okay, so I'm nervous because this wig is not cheap. So she said to try and cut between the wefts so you're not just straight up cutting hair. This is the first corner I cut. That's for my ear on the left side. Now for the back. As you can see, the line I drew is like all these wefts need to come off, including that clip. And y'all, I'm nervous. But she did it and hers look real natural, so we're gonna try it. All right, so this is the back part of the cap. Okay, this is the back part of the cap that I just cut off. This is what the cap looks like right now. I probably could cut one more off, but I'm gonna leave it as is. This about to fit real nice. Okay. So now I left the clips in just because, you know, what if you don't want to sew it down one day or something and you might need the clips? So I'm gonna just go around, and I feel like the clips are gonna help me when it comes to sewing this down. So I'm gonna go around and just put all the clips in. We are all sewed down. She's not going anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and just detangle or untwist my little bit of what edge I had left out. So I'm just doing this because I'm about to get in the shower and I'm gonna wash my head with the wig on, just because this hair has so much product build up, like it's flaking. So I'm gonna just wash the whole thing and my leave out, and then I'll come back, and I think I'm gonna try and add the little track because Miss Winnie had glued the track for a little bit more fullness around the edges and to make it lay a little bit flatter. But as you can see, like, I ain't got much over here right now, so it might be beneficial to like have that track there. All right, y'all, so we back. And girl, what? Did a little trim on the hair, just to make sure the ends was just not frizzy, and I wanted it to have a little bit more shape because the longer the curls, the flatter it looks. So I wanted it to look nice and big. I want it to be Beyonce. So now I'm gonna apply this Neo Curly Lightweight Hair Milk. And when he told me to do a lightweight something, I did co-wash the hair. So I'm just gonna use this lightweight hair milk as the styler. And then she also like twisted her hair with the wig, so we'll see. I tried to do the glue thing on this side and it wasn't holding because my hair was wet. So maybe I'll try that another day. But I also probably don't need to be putting no glue if my edges is looking like that, okay? And I'm really trying to get the detangle from the root because it really be matting up closer to the root than anything. So we got a little baby hair action going on with what hair I got left. And this is what my hair looks like right now. I didn't twist the leave out. I'm thinking about putting just a little bit of gel on it. I added a little bit of the Neo Curly leave-in cream just because it was a little bit heavier. But I may need some gel up here, just so you know it doesn't get super frizzy. So now I'm gonna just diffuse my hair just a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. But like, y'all, it's giving, and I love how these curls are looking on me.